Fingerprinting in cocoa. The scientific name is Theobroma and it belongs to the family Sericulaceae. The genus Theobroma has 22 species, out of which Theobroma is important. It has a chromosome number of 2n is equal to 20. It is originated from the neotropical rainforests primarily in the Amazon basin and Guiana Plateau. The phylogenetic studies based on DNA sequence, morphological, anatomical, and chemical characteristics to include the family Sericulaceae into Malvaceae family. It is a major cultivated crop in Asia, Africa, Central America, and South America. Cocoa producing countries and the productivity rates are listed below. Ivory Coast 38%, Ghana 21%, Indonesia 13%, Nigeria 5%, Cameroon 5%, Brazil 4%, Uganda 3%, Malaysia 1%, and others 10%. West Africa produces 70% of world cocoa. In India, it is cultivated in 4 major states, namely Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Kerala leads first in the production of cocoa with 6,344 metric tons and the area of about 11,044 hectares. Tamil Nadu occupies third in the production with 900 metric tons and the area of 9,347 hectares with productivity rate of 443 kgs of dry beans per hectare. In India, commercial cultivation of cocoa was started in 1960s. It is a cross-pollinated and monoecious crop. The genome of cocoa has about 400 million base pairs. It is a tall tree with 4 to 8 meters of height. Genetic diversity based on morphological markers. After it reaches 1 to 1.5 meter, 3 to 4 lateral branches are produced and they are called as jaw cutting, and it is also known as fan branches. It is an ever-flowering plant and highly floriferous in nature. The inflorescence is a compressed cyme. The flower is a pedicellate, pentamerous, hermaphrodite, regular polycephalous and polypetalous in nature. It has an androecium with 10 stamens in 2 holes. It is a wild type of cocoa inflorescence. The pod attains full size in 3 to 4 months. Before ripening, it is green or red-violet in color. After maturity, it is yellow or orange in color. The pod length is about 15 to 25 centimeters. The pod weight is 200 to 1000 grams and the average weight of each pod is 300 to 500 grams. Each pod has about 30 to 40 seeds inside them. After fermentation and drying, cocoa beans are obtained. There are 3 varietal types of cocoa: Frosterio, Cereolio, Trinitario. And Frosterio produces 90% of cocoa bean production in the world. In TNAU, there are 10 varieties cultivated as an intercrop between coconut in the coconut nursery. The varieties are CCRP1 to 10 and it was established by the Department of Spices and Plantation Crops in the Horticulture Department. The largest population of cocoa exists in Pollachi, Sethumadai, Vettaikaranputtur, Kulathuputtur and Satyamangalam. Genetic diversity based on molecular markers. DNA polymorphism is abundant and discrete than the phenotypic markers and it develops more genetic maps. DNA amplification for fingerprinting uses oligonucleotide primers to amplify the polymorphic DNA fragments. Phylogenetic analysis based on SSR markers have been shown for the different varieties of cocoa. The morphological and molecular based genetic diversity have been studied clearly. Uses of cocoa. Cocoa seeds are used in making cocoa powder for the manufacture of chocolates and cocoa butter. The pulp of cocoa is used in the making of cocoa juices. In hotels, it is used as a food delicacies as cocoa stongo roll, cocoa fish slice, cocoa fried rice, and cocoa snacks, etc. The products obtained from cocoa are as follows. Chocolate spread. It contains high superior quality of cocoa and it is cholesterol and sugar-free content and it brings high nutritional value to the consumers. Choco shower contain high vitamin E content which is known for most of its nourishing and moisturizing properties. Cocoa syrup is enriched with high nutrition which is used as a coating for cakes and ice creams. Thank you.